So I'm back with another unboxing video, and this is gonna be a rather shocking one. Okay, so anyway, I had a leave like a couple of days back, and me being me, I went shopping and I actually got something that I've been eyeing on for quite a while, which was some Prada shoes. And the second buy of the day was actually something really impulsive. And I use the word shocking because if you know me, you're gonna be really shocked at the brand of the new bag that I just got. So it's actually my first and probably only, I hope, LV Louis Vuitton. Okay, so if you know me, I've actually never spoken well of the brand because I've actually never received great service from them. And honestly, the service that I got at MBS that day was substandard, but still I came home with a bag in the nice new Christmas wrapping. Okay. So anyway, I've been obsessed over silver bags for the longest time ever. I just think that they'll match everything that I have. And when I visit all the other brands, they always tell me that, you know, the painful truth is that silver does kind of peel off after a while, but all the sales girls at LV apparently claimed otherwise, so we'll see. So revealing the bag. So it's like the Christmas plastic bag. It actually comes with the original orange box, and she gave me a little gift card here in the red ribbon, and it was actually quite cute, as in since it's Christmas and asked for the Christmas wrapping. She also gave me a couple of stickers for the Christmas season. Cute. Okay. So this is the bag that I eventually got. I do like boxes that come like that, you know, instead of the double box kind of encasement. So, ta-da! The Louis Vuitton dust bag, and unveiling my brand new silver handbag. Ta-da! I think it's actually called the LV Pochette Louise, which is, I think, one of their not so, you know, classic designs that you see on the shelf now. So I feel that I actually got a steal for this price, and just look at how gorgeous it is. I think it's so classy, and the thing is, I can use it as a clutch like that, okay, or I can take out the strap and carry it how I usually do, as a sling. See? So pretty. So I'm actually really happy with my purchase because I've been eyeing a silver bag forever, and this one is actually made of epi leather with the silver logo as well. So I think the texture itself is quite, you know, it's not smooth, and I always believe that, you know, the smoother leathers actually get scratched and damaged more easily. So hoping that this bag's gonna last me forever. I really think it's gonna be my next favorite like dinner bag, because all my accessories are always in silver instead of gold. So